Shopify 2.0 installation instructions. Dropit can be displayed within any section of your website using the Dropit app block. This allows you to determine the placement of the Dropit live auction interface in the desired section of your website. We recommend running Dropit auctions via their own page and page template to display Dropit auctions via a page's URL using the following method. Create a theme template. 1. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store Themes. 2. Find a theme that you want to edit and then click Customize. 3. Open the drop-down menu at the top of the page. 4. Using the drop-down menu, select which existing template you want to base your new template on. 5. Click Create Template. Use the drop-down menu to select a template. 6. Give your template a unique name. 7. Create template. Enable the Dropit app block. 1. From the template you have created and select Add section where you would like to display the app block. 2. Go to Apps and select the Dropit Live Auction app. 3. The app block display can be toggled on/off via the eye icon. 4. If you wish to remove the app block from the page template, select Remove App Block in the bottom right of the screen. Create a page to display Dropit Live Auctions. 1. Go to Online Store Pages. 2. Click Add Page. 3. Enter a title and content for the page. 4. In the bottom right corner, select the theme template you created. 5. Under Visibility, select when the page should be published. By default, your new web page will be visible when you click Save. 6. Select the Hidden option if you want your new web page to be hidden from your online store, or click Set a specific publish date to control when your web page is published. 7. Click Save. Optional, to make a published web page appear in your online store navigation, add a link to it in a menu. How to adjust your live auction style settings to match the styling of your storefront. 1. Go to the Dropit admin app style settings. 2. Enter your hex color against each element or use the color picker to select your desired color. The next step is to set up an auction. Visit our website or YouTube channel on how to set up a Dropit live auction.